Hi heroes, Denise here with the boosting immunity tip number 6, quit tobacco. Studies show nicotine from cigarettes, chewing tobacco, or vaping can weaken your body's ability to fight off germs by suppressing your immune system. Smoking increases the risk and recurrence rate of upper respiratory tract infections, and smoking cessation can reduce these. Thursday is the Great American Smokeout Day, a day started in 1970 with an event in Randolph, Massachusetts, my home state, when people were asked to give up cigarettes for a day and donate the money they would have spent on cigarettes to a high school scholarship fund. In 1974, Minnesota had its first D-Day, or Don't Smoke Day, and the idea caught on, and on November 18, 1976, the California division of the American Cancer Society got nearly 1 million people who smoked to quit for the day. That California event marked the first official smokeout, and the American Cancer Society took it nationwide in 1977. Since then, there have been dramatic changes in the way the public views tobacco advertising and tobacco use. Many public places and work areas are now smoke-free, and this protects people who don't smoke and supports people who smoke who want to quit. For help with smoking cessation, go to www.cancer.org or www.smokefree.gov, or call 1-800-QUIT-NOW, and if you want the phone number in numbers, it's 1-800-784-8669. Calling the number from your area code will connect you with the tobacco cessation quit line in your state. So consider quitting for the day on Thursday, or even taking a few days to create a whole quit plan between now and then. And on Tuesday, Sarah will give a few tips on stress relief, which may be helpful for your day without tobacco on Thursday. Bye for now.